Need to drop off some packages. I'm going to the gifting suite today. It's for tan looks in preparation for like New York Fashion Week, which is starting today. We have a few events that I'm really excited for, and then right after New York Fashion Week, I'm leaving for Paris, which I'm really excited about as well. So apparently at this gifting suite, they also have like spray tan sessions. I have never gotten a spray tan, but I have been getting very pale because it's winter. I'm considering maybe getting one, but I'm kind of scared because I don't know how it's going to turn out. So we shall see. Honestly, so quick and easy. Took like 5 minutes, but I asked for something very gradual. I just finished at the gifting suite and I got my spray tan. Hopefully it doesn't turn out too dark. Now I'm gonna head to REI. We're going on a ski trip in a couple of weeks and I want to get my own helmet instead of using like the rentals. I'm gonna go try some on. Whew, it's cold. I'm getting ready for the Shop Bop event. I sent over a couple of outfits, but I'm gonna go with this really pretty silk black top from Vince, and then this leather skirt from the agency. I really like this like little detail on the side. Okay, this is the top. I showered when I got home and this is how the spray tan is looking. Like a really nice gradual tan. This is with the skirt. I think I'm gonna tuck the top in though, just so it shows the figure a little bit more. I'm just gonna go with my Totem clutch. For shoes, these Manolos, which I literally wear every single event because they're just so comfortable. That's the finished look. I'm just gonna keep my hair the way it is and touch up my makeup a little bit, and then we should be ready to go. Currently 6 a.m. I really shouldn't be up right now, but Samson somehow convinced me to go skiing with him today, and we just got like our helmets and like our new gear and everything, and honestly I do want to try it out before we take the ski trip with his cousins towards the end of February. Somehow he convinced me that we're gonna do a day trip to go skiing. But the thing is, I have 2 events for Fashion Week tonight. Starts at 6:30 that I need to be back in Soho for. So we're waking up at 6 a.m. right now to go skiing in New Jersey. Oh no, not New Jersey, sorry, upstate with one of his friends. And hopefully we can leave by like 3:30, get back to the city. I'll change in the car. Honestly, a pretty tiring and chaotic day, but it's okay. I know I don't have to go skiing right now, but I want to, and we're gonna get some coffee and get through today. I actually didn't even get home very late last night after the event. I feel like I didn't really get a lot of footage from the events last night because it was just like a lot going on and pretty busy. I feel like I honestly need to make like another one of this right now.
Wait, hold on. Dude, let me put my goggles back on.
What is this mountain called?
Bel Air?
Bel Air. 12 o'clock. We're at Bel Air, and then I need to be in Soho by 6:30. Just finished the Berta show. It was absolutely amazing. I feel like from a fellow bride, that was just so much fun to see, and there was so many amazing looks. I'm heading to YSL Beauty. It is absolutely freezing, and afterwards just head home. It's been quite a long day. Just finished my ceramics class, taking home these two little bowl plates that I made a couple weeks ago. Really proud of them. I feel like they look so nice. I used like a speckled clay for it and then did a clear glaze. I love how they turned out. Here's a little closer up. They're pretty much the same thing. Just wanted a little set. I feel like this would be really cute for like little apps and things like that. So cute. I really wanted to get some ceramics time in before my trip. So today I have two events because it's still New York Fashion Week. I also really need to pack for my trip because I'm leaving Wednesday and today is Saturday. I'm heading to a Heaven Mayhem Odd News event, and I picked out this outfit the other day. I think it's really, really cute. I want to show you guys, if you're looking for like a new blazer set, you get like this little belt that kind of just really snatches you in. And then I just paired it with their black mini skirt. I put my hair up in like a French pin. I love this outfit. And then I paired it with these red heels for like a little pop of color. I'm gonna go to a cafe with Issa first, and then we're gonna just shoot some content.
What's up?
I'm vlogging.
Back. Are we crossing?
Oh, let's go. Wait, not yet.
martini. Cheers.
Yes. Ooh, she's strong.
Let's try some caviar.
Okay, let's not. Melissa's planning how she's gonna get through. Just do it.
Want me to make you one?
Yeah.
She's just laughing at me. She's like, make me one now.
Okay, Allison wants to do a bump of the caviar.
I have the best ideas. Come on, let's do this.
Nobody else is eating this except for us. It's so very big.
Okay. Cheers.
Best caviar we've ever had.
Never.
Actually, though, it's really good.
Oh my god! It's storming! Oh my god.
I'm wearing a skirt.
Oh my gosh. It's giving Asian mom for real, bro.
Cleaned around the apartment a little bit. It's been kind of a chaotic couple of days, so the apartment was just a mess and I finally have some time to clean it. I'm gonna do a little bit of filming and work. I have an appointment later at Jenny Yu. I'm looking at their bridesmaids dresses, so we have a little bit of like wedding planning things going on today. I'm going by myself because I want to check out the dresses first, make sure that I like them and that I'm decided on them before I bring in my bridesmaids to try it on. I actually haven't chosen my bridesmaids colors yet. Initially, when I started planning for the wedding, I wanted a blush pink. It's very bridal and very classic, but I haven't actually really found any blush pink dresses that I like. That is kind of where the problem lies right now. I'm gravitating towards other colors, so we'll see what Jenny Yu has. I also really need to start packing. I'm such a last minute packer, you guys. I literally wait until the day before or the day of, and that is a problem. Super excited about our trip. I will keep you guys posted on everything, but I'm doing the makeup and hair trial. We're doing the tasting with the caterer, going to visit the venue. Just a lot of exciting things. Try on a few colors. This brown, this espresso is so stunning. So try the yellow, the butter yellow, and the powder pink. I actually really love the powder pink. I'm finally starting to pack. This is usually how I like to do it. I like to take out the pieces that I want to wear and then I try to create outfits with it. Just got this super cute little cardigan from Soft Goat. I feel like with like black trousers or a black leather skirt, that might look really nice. A little red sweater, also from Soft Goat. This sleeveless turtleneck with the leather skirt would look really cute, I think, actually. That can be an outfit. I usually like to bring pieces that are pretty versatile so I can mix and match everything. My favorite pair of jeans from Cezanne. I actually like to take photos of the outfit, so I know what I have. It would make getting dressed a lot easier. I'm bringing one nice dress. This is from Lisette. I feel like if we go to a nice dinner, I can wear this. And then a cinched in blazer from Aritzia. I've been really liking this and I feel like with jeans, it can look really cute.